Happy New Year to you guys. Happy 2021. I've watched many videos, many YouTube videos, and trying to practice and learn lots about photography. And a lot of the guys on there, and most of the guys are very professional and what they film, whether it's video or whether it's photography. It makes you think, well, I can do that. But putting the practice into it, it actually takes a lot of time. And to achieve what these professional photographers and videographers do, it really hats off to them. Their art, their craft is exceptional. And it's obviously taken many years for them to get to that stage. You know what they say, practice makes perfect, and hopefully, one day maybe I get to some sort of, or as near to the quality as what you see on YouTube and Instagram and places like that, social media. But at the end of the day, it's a hobby, and it's something that I enjoy doing. The whole process of walking in the countryside, taking photographs of the nature and the landscapes, and sharing it with you guys.